So I'm super excited to make this super easy dish here. I was getting it over at the supermarket, and then my wife was smart enough just to look at the ingredients and think, why don't we just make it at home? For those of you who don't know me, my name is Adam Kahn. This is Cooking with Adam Kahn and Lee Ju. Before I even get into the recipe, do me a favor, don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up. It really helps the algorithm, helps the videos. I hope you guys are enjoying it. I'm really enjoying my time doing it. And all I'm going to make is this Jarlsberg dip. So I have this beautiful piece of Jarlsberg, mayonnaise, and we chopped up some red onion. Those are the only ingredients. So all I'm going to do, and I'll hit pause for a minute so that you don't have to sit there watching me cut this and whatever else. I'm just going to cut this to make it like the right shape that I want for shredding it. And then I'll come back on, shred it for you guys, mix it all up, and have a delicious meal to eat. Well, snack. So now I have this nice little rectangle that I cut out. For me, that's a nice shape, easy to hold. All I'm going to do, shred. And then what I'm going to do is put it all in this bowl here, mix it up, and then we're going to refrigerate it overnight so that the onion gets all the way through and the flavor gels well. I have a few crackers here because I'm sure I'll taste it before I even refrigerate it, just because why not? It'll be yummy anyway, but I'm sure it'll be better after sitting overnight as well. So I'll come back after I finish shredding all this and show you how we mix it up. So I probably shredded maybe 3/4 of the pound of this yummy um, Jarlsberg. I love all cheese, but Jarlsberg's like a light version of a Swiss. So even if Swiss is too strong for people, sometimes this is like a nice cheese to find that has more of a hint of Swiss than being super strong like some of the Swiss are. So with that, I'm going to add maybe we cut up about a half of a small red onion. So I'm going to add that, and then probably about I don't know about a cup of the mayonnaise, and then I'm just going to mix. So really easy recipe. Um, I'll show you guys when I take a taste of it to see how it came out. But we'll do it overnight as well, and then I'll come back tomorrow and show you how it is tomorrow and see how much better it is than it is today. My guess is giving it the time with the onion to kind of gel with the mayonnaise. It'll get through it. It'll taste better. The only thing you really need to do is make sure to cut the onion up really small so that you don't get like pieces of onions in it since it's a dip. And part of why I did this is so at the supermarket they charge $8 for this small 8-ounce container. I mean, this is going to be close to 2 pounds of it. We're going to serve it for friends and everything else, and probably cost me less than what I would have paid for the little one. Plus, I bet it tastes better too. So now I'm going to sample it just because I really have no patience and I really want to try it. But then I'm going to just cover it, throw it in the fridge, and I'll try it for real tomorrow. But just for first taste, mm, so yummy. Really, I liked it when I was picking it up. I'm pretty confident this is going to end up tasting better than the one we get. And way more fun to make it yourself because I can decide how I want the ratio. More mayonnaise, less mayonnaise, extra cheese. You can change it and you can play with it yourselves too, see how you like it. And it tastes much fresher than the one you're picking up in the supermarket. Really, it'll be made to order essentially. So stick around and put it in the fridge, cover it up, bring it out tomorrow. All right, so today is tomorrow, and I'm already excited. I can see how it looks. I had overnight to sit and kind of gel and get together, and you look here. Hopefully, I can get it close enough that you guys can see. You can see it has one consistent color, whereas yesterday I could see the shreds of cheese and the mayonnaise kind of bright white, like mayonnaise looks like. So I have a feeling all the flavors had time to get together and give it one consistent flavor. And give it a try now and see what I think. I'm excited. It's like early in the morning. I just wanted to taste it because I've been thinking about it all night. Um, oh yeah. Mm, forgive me. Mm. I'm gonna tell you that came out perfect. The cheese, the onion, it all went through the mayonnaise. You can taste all the flavors throughout it. It's really had the time to gel into one consistent flavor and so much fresher than what I'm getting at the supermarket. Really, it's awesome. You know, if I played with it a bit, hmm, if I wanted to try something spicy, maybe I would do a little bit of spicy. I don't know if I'd add jalapeno because jalapeno flavor is so strong. I mean, maybe I'll try it and see how it comes out, but maybe I'd try like some Thai chili pepper or something where the pepper itself doesn't have a specific flavor, but just adds a little bit of heat. Because it might be nice to have it spicy too, but man, this is really delicious. Even for those of you who don't cook a ton, to just shred up some cheese, cut up a little onion real small, and mix it with mayonnaise. This is delicious. I mean, really, I'm super excited how it came out. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and like. It really helps the channel. It helps me with YouTube's analytics and picking things up. I love that I've picked up some subscribers. It's really special to me that some of you guys actually watch the videos and stuff because I do this for fun, but it's kind of cool that people are enjoying it. I mean, I know I don't have like even 1,000 followers, but I'm still excited about all of it. So anyway, I'm gonna eat a little more of this and I'm gonna go for my morning walk. Thanks again. Have a great day.